Hello mummies, welcome to my channel Learning with Flora. Today's video is a information video regarding preschool, its term and the age from when we can admit our toddler for preschool education. So let's get started. Preschool has various names in different places, state and countries. Even in a same locality, the name differs from place to place and school to school. So, preschool means it is also known as pre-primary school or also play school or nursery school. These institutes offer early childhood education that is very much needed for every child before the child enters primary school level, that is first standard. In preschool or pre-primary school, school readiness program is being emphasized. So, this program helps develop the all-round growth of a child, physical, cognitive, fine motor skills, gross skills, social skills, socio-emotional skills. All these skills play an important role for his formal schooling. Hence, activities related to these skills are being imparted in preschool or play school, also known as pre-primary school, in a fun way method. So let's get started. Preschool age is from 3 to 5 years. So, play school or also known as preschool, as I told earlier, imparts school readiness program. And there are various stages or classes according to the needs arising in the society. Main thing is nowadays there are many moms who work outside the house. So, when a situation arises when there is no one to take care of their little ones, most of the parents select creche or toddler care that starts from 6 months onwards, and it is up to 2 years or 2.5 years. This is specially for moms who want to work outside. This program has helped many moms achieve their dream or work outside. Then comes the playgroup age, that is from 2 years on, and in some schools it is from 2.5 years also. And playgroup is also known as pre-nursery, that is pre means before nursery. Then comes nursery, and the appropriate age is from 3 years, and some places or states it is from 3.5 years. As I told earlier, it depends from place to place and the school also. And nursery is also known as Montessori 1 or pre-KG. These are the many different names which the institute is being named. And in some places or some schools, Nursery admission begins when the child is 2.5 years also, that is 2.5 also. Again it depends from school to school and place to place. Then comes kindergarten. In that it is LKG, also known as lower kindergarten, or KG 1, that is kindergarten 1, or Montessori 2. For this the age is from 4 years or 4.5 years. Then comes UKG, also known as upper kindergarten, or KG2 or Montessori 3. The age for UKG is from 5 years to 5.5 years. Okay. But there are some schools, play schools or pre-nursery schools, which start like this, like pre-nursery, that is a playgroup 1 for 2 years and above child, then nursery 2 for 3 years and above child, and in kindergarten again LKG will be 1 or Montessori 1, that is from 4 years and above, and UKG will be 2 or Montessori 2, about 5 years. Okay. So this pre-nursery and nursery is 1 and 2. Then LKG and UKG is Mont 1 and 2. So these stages or classes depend from place to place and school to school. I hope this information will be helpful for all moms. Thank you for watching.